And for the next people I'm out there in the media talk about we only have 18 and I have 150 jobs offering. What happened with the process is it's divided in two. You have one section that's interviewing people that does more execution and makeups and all of those stuff, and the next set of people is interviewing dancers, battle girls, more for promo. So some people for Romeich and some people for major marketing. So now after them done them, I just talk to them and feel them. This is 5 persons that I am just interviewing, and I may actually like the whole 5 of them. Like the entire 5 persons in here is very talented, and they are. And for the next people I'm out there in the media talk about we only have 18 and I have 150 jobs offering. Okay? And you all came in, right? And you went through the process and you saw that it was free. By the time this come out, it will already been half of the day. So the bombard and the bomb rush can't come again. What was that? That was just a thing to put there to sieve out all the time wasters, as well as we have some people in Jamaica that them prefer for yesterday's a feed and freeness. You understand? So I have an idea, whatever media want to take it, the only thing we just never like how them bash me, but it is what it is. If it was illegal and wrong, the Ministry of Labour wouldn't have given, I can't show the letter, but they wouldn't give me the approval to go ahead and support me that the next time I'm doing a venture like this, they would love to be a part of it so it can be bigger. But with the backlash, I'm very hurt. Personally, so I don't know if I'll be doing it again. But let's see what happens. I might do it more quiet and intimate within people and companies and people that we know rather than go public, because the publics have like a sense of being more negative than positive, and it's not everybody can take the pressure. I for one, you know, this is about them. I say, once they not touch me and beat me, I care zero. Mouth make me talk, finger make me type. But at the end of the day, them now show the love and support of what them supposed to do for them own country and them own people. Because if you bash somebody like this, alright, when you claim say the government now this and the government now that, and a liquor man come up and say, yo, I'm going to call myself a liquor man because I am not as big as the country, I'm not as big as the some company. I don't have a franchise that I have like 5 or 6 partners, it's just me and my team. And all of my team are just persons that come here as promo people when I help build and becoming a staff. So what people don't understand is that I have nobody in my staff who come from UWI or UTech where they go study them something.
So Romeich has been an inspiration for me from going to high school. He is a great entrepreneur, a serial entrepreneur to be at that, and he's like a person that I always wanted to interview and talk to and be around. And I think working with his team will push me in the right direction to be what I want to do.
For working for Romeich is not just only you're getting paid, but you're in an environment. You know, sometimes out there somebody in an environment with them own family and friends and lovers that them don't feel like a family. Right here, so my company is a family thing. I don't really have friends. My team is my friends and family. So you come in an environment where you have a leader that might miserable but I guide you. I don't abuse nobody. I guide you, I give you tough love, and I try to groom you and I turn you into somebody. I have had so much tailors that them get so good that them branch off on them own. The promotional girls get so great. People get visa and all kind of something. They always go and left me, but them still better themselves and them still remember me. So you right here, so it's just a positivity. Even if you come here so and you don't keep the work long, you must come here and learn something. And learning knowledge is priceless. You get me? I say, and then for the other people who are gonna be fierce, not everybody will get the job. But the beauty about this is that I have a group of companies that I work with and I work for that are looking staff as well. So after me sip out and take what me want, that don't mean say the other people them now get a chance as well, because I'm going to go through them and recommend them to other people where they're going to get other work. Also, if I get, say for instance, 100 dancers coming to them and only choose 50, I'm still going to keep the info for that 50, so in case that 50 kind of check out themselves or do something wrong, we can go back to them. And you understand? So it's not like say, if I don't choose it within the next 2 weeks, life done, life short, you come here and waste the time. But, you know.
The taxi driver who was seen in a video in a verbal clash with a schoolgirl over her fare has been arrested and charged with common assault by the Old Harbor Police in St. Catherine. Further, the man who spat at the teen during his expletive-laced remarks has been warned for prosecution by the Transport Authority for unlawfully deceiving a passenger as to the fare for a journey, operating without a badge, and failing to wear a uniform.